Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our ASL class. Look at page number 27, Language Help. When we ask for information, we should use can or could you tell me, do you know what or if or when or how long, how many, etc. Then listen to the audio.
Unit 4. Listen and read aloud. Listen to the differences between turtles and tortoises. Then read it aloud with correct intonation and appropriate pauses.
Are tortoises and turtles the same animal?
Although they may look alike, tortoises and turtles are actually different in many ways. Tortoises are land animals, while turtles live underwater and come to land only to lay eggs. Tortoises have short, strong feet for walking on land. Turtles, on the other hand, have flat, webbed feet which they also use as paddles in the water. They also have fins to help them breathe underwater.
But both turtles and tortoises have shells, don't they?
Yes, they do. The shell is the hard and strong covering which protects them. One of the most interesting characteristics of tortoises is that they can withdraw their heads completely inside their shell. Most sea turtles cannot do that.
Turtles and tortoises do not have any teeth. Then how do they eat their food?
Their jaws have very sharp edges, so they can bite quite well. In fact, a large turtle can bite off a man's fingers as easily as you can bite through a carrot.
What kind of food do they eat?
Turtles feed on water plants as well as small fish and earthworms. Tortoises like to eat a variety of vegetables, fruits, grasses, and flowers.
How long do these animals live?
Turtles, especially sea turtles, have long lifespans, sometimes up to 70 years. Tortoises, however, can live even longer, up to 100 years and more. Do you know the age of the oldest tortoise alive? His name is Jonathan, and he turned 186 years old in 2017.
Look at page number 27. Warm up 2. Dino and Aisha are working on a project about animals. Given below are the notes they have made, but some points are missing from their notes. Help them to find those points from the box in the middle. Draw a line from each point from the box in the middle to the animal it matches. Dino is writing about yak and Aisha is writing about camel. Draw lines from the concerned boxes. Look at page number 28, Speaking. Luckily, both Dino and Aisha got an opportunity to see the animals they were reading about. Aisha went to Jaisalmer to attend a wedding and Dino's father took the family to Shimla for a holiday. After their return, Dino and Aisha tell each other about what they saw and learned. Work in pairs and role play the situation. Use the information from their notes on the previous page, that is on page number 27. You should use the clues from page number 27 and write a short note on each of these animals in your rough book. Now listen to the audio.
Unit 4. Listen, read, and recite. Listen to the poem, My New Rabbit. Then recite it with suitable expression.
We brought him home. I was so pleased. We made a rabbit hutch. I gave him oats. I talked to him. I love him very much. Now when I talk to Robot Dog, He answers me, bow wow. And when I talk to Pussycat, she purrs and says meow. But Bunny never says a word, just twinkles with his nose. And what that rabbit thinks about, why, no one ever knows. My mother says the fairies must have put on him a spell. They told him all their secrets, then they whispered, "Pray don't tell." So Bunny sits there looking wise and twinkling with his nose, and never, never, never tells a single thing he knows.
After listening to audio, you should look at page number 28, more practice. Bob and Deepa are at a vet's clinic. As they wait for their turn, Bob and Deepa tell each other about their dogs. Work in pairs and role play the conversation. Use the information below to help you. Here, Bob and Deepa talk about their pet dogs using the clues given below. You should write a few sentences about your pet animal in your rough book. Look at B. Your new neighbor, Binsey, has a fish tank with many fish. You always thought it was boring to have fish as pets. You have a pet cat. When you see Binsey in the park in the evening, you introduce yourself. You ask her about her pets and tell her about yours. Work in pairs and act out this conversation. Use the clues on the next page and add 2 of your own reasons. Here, Binsey talks about her fish. Add 2 more clues below that. In the same way, write 2 more clues about cats too. So dear children, that's the end of today's class. Thank you everyone. See you.